Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update your BIOS version using HP Support Assistant application. So first of all, you're going to have to open the HP Support Assistant app, and if you don't have it on your laptop, you can download it from the official HP website. Just open your web browser, go to your search engine and search for HP Support Assistant. You will find the official HP Support Assistant website. The official website where you can download this application is support.hp.com. Now we don't have to sign in here, but all you have to do is click download HP Support Assistant 9 and then run this installation file and proceed with instructions. Once the application is installed, you're gonna have to open it. Then you'll be able to either sign into your HP account, or you can proceed as guest by selecting the option in the bottom right corner of your screen. And after that, go to updates right here. And to check for available updates, click refresh button in the top right corner of your screen. Let your PC check for available updates, which may take up to 60 seconds. And if the laptop finds an available BIOS update, which usually has the firmware update name, then you'll be able to simply select it on this list and then click download and install. But generally speaking, I recommend downloading and installing all the updates that you have right here. So let's actually do this. Well, from what I can see right here, I don't have BIOS updates for now. My BIOS is up to date since I have recently updated it, and no newer version was released. But generally speaking, we just have to click download and install, and then wait for all the updates to be installed. Now the BIOS update is a very specific update, and once your device starts downloading it, once the BIOS update is downloaded, you're gonna see a setup window opening up where you're just gonna have to click next and then accept the license agreement, and then proceed with the BIOS BIOS installation. Then you're gonna have to click restart to reboot your PC. After you click restart, make sure that you plug in your laptop to the power source. So make sure that you have a USB Type-C cable plugged into your PC and that your PC is being charged. And then just let your laptop restart. After the laptop restarts, you will see the BIOS updating menu, and at this point you just have to wait until the BIOS is fully updated and your PC is restarted once again. And after that, you will basically be your BIOS will be updated to the newest version. So right now, I think let's wait until the updates are finished on my PC, and maybe we'll have to go through some similar steps while downloading, now for example, this HP PC Hardware Diagnostics Windows module. Okay, and as you can see, we actually have to restart the computer after installation of the Intel Bluetooth driver. So let's click restart now, and then wait for a while until your laptop is restarted. Or you can as well go to the start menu, select power options and select restart. Now let's wait until the laptop shuts down itself. And then it will proceed to restart, and then you'll probably see, well, in your case, if you have installed the BIOS update, you will definitely see the BIOS update menu on your device's screen. In my case, I'm probably gonna see a regular Windows update screen right now. And once your laptop is restarted, the BIOS update is finished, and that's basically it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.